Hey guys, a very good afternoon and welcome to a new crypto market outlook for the 5th of June 2021. In today's crypto market outlook, we're going to be discussing why the price of Bitcoin has been declining, and we're going to have a look at XRP and Ethereum. So to begin with, why has the price of Bitcoin been declining? Well, as we can see, we have this obvious symmetrical triangle with the 1, the 2 and the third touch, and the 1 and the 2 and the current third touch which we are making. So that decline in the price of Bitcoin is perfectly normal, because we did need to make that third touch of the lower trend line to then see more upside. So as we can see, Bitcoin has perfectly retraced back in towards this area of demand, and on the 1 hour we have created this beautiful price pattern in the form of a descending channel. So descending channels are generally bullish, so therefore what we can see is that once a channel has matured, which is descending, you'll often see more upside. So as we can see, we have the 1, the 2 and now the third trendline touch, which aligns perfectly with both demand and the ascending trendline of the overall symmetrical triangle on the 4 hour. So it wouldn't be strange if Bitcoin does start to move back up in towards the highs towards 40k from this area. So yeah, 40k, or that's around 39.3k. That's where the major area of resistance starts to occur. However, I would love to see a push further back up in towards 40k. So if we see 2 4-hour bullish candles occur over here from where we currently are, we will start seeing more upside and move back up in towards that 40k region. However, option 2, what could also happen is that we do start closing below this area of demand within the market and the descending channel does not hold. Because what will then happen is that we will break this area of support and we will most likely see a break retest and move back down further in towards the lows towards that 33,000 level. So yep, those are the two situations and possibilities for Bitcoin in the next coming hours. So yeah, with Bitcoin discussed, let's head over to Ethereum. And Ethereum is currently just consolidating, waiting for Bitcoin to make a move, because as we can see, currently just not really moving anywhere, just chopping in between this area of demand and supply. So what is interesting on Ethereum is that we currently are situated at the third trendline touch of this ascending trendline. So we saw the 1, the 2 and now the third trendline touch, from where we could possibly start impulsing back towards the upside. However, Ethereum is very dependent on the price of Bitcoin. So yeah, if we do not see Bitcoin starting to appreciate, it is very likely that Ethereum will start depreciating. So if Ethereum starts depreciating, what we'll then see is most likely a break retest of this level back in towards that 2300 region. However, if Bitcoin does start appreciating, we will most likely see a break above this level with a retest of once again the trend line, and then most likely a push further back up in towards somewhat around 3400. So yeah, that's Ethereum. Let's head over to our last pair, which is XRP. And XRP, also very beautiful, as we can see, currently also just resting on this third trendline touch. So yeah, it isn't a problem if we do see some closes below, because we do have this very strong area of demand within the market, which I still want to see get hit. This area within the market also aligns perfectly with the 618, and I would therefore not be surprised if we do hit that level before impulsing back towards the upside. However, this does not need to occur. If Bitcoin just starts moving bullish, XRP will also most likely start moving bullish, and XRP will most likely move back up in towards the highs, back up to around 1.12. The only situation in where I do see XRP moving and getting into some problems is if we break this major buying zone of mine at around 0.88. So XRP at the moment is just forming this channel, descending channel, which is a sign of bullishness to come. We just created the double bottom, so I wouldn't be surprised if XRP were to start impulsing back towards the upside if Bitcoin flips bullish. So we do have to take into consideration that it is the weekend, and the weekends are relatively slow for crypto, so we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens. So yeah, that was all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you all back in tomorrow's crypto market outlook. So don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I can't wait to see you guys soon. So yeah, thanks guys.